How to filter data in Microsoft Excel. In the last video, I showed you how to reformat a raw data set into a table. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to use that table to filter that data down to find exactly what it is you're looking for. So right here, I've got a data set that I convert into a table. And this is just part of the roster of the Atlanta Falcons football team. So there are two big things you can do with tables. I mean, there are a million things, but there are two big ones that I want to highlight here. You can sort and you can filter data. In this video, we're going to focus on filtering. So what does filtering do? Filtering data eliminates the entries that you are not interested in. So for example, what if out of all of these players, I only want to see the players who are 72 to 74 inches tall? There are a couple ways I could do that. I could just go through and manually pick them, but that's not really harnessing the power of Excel. So what we want to do is we want to go to height. We already have the height data in there. So we said 72 to 74 inches tall, right? The first way we could do that is we can go in here, and I would say the most crude way to do it is we could just say, we could deselect all of this. So here's 69 inches tall, 70, 71, 72. So 72, 73, and 74 inches. These are all the players who are 72 to 74 inches tall. So once I deselect all of these and then select the ones I'm looking for and hit OK, that's going to give me all the players who are 72, 73, or 74 inches tall, as you can see here. Another way to accomplish the same thing, which this is easy enough with this limited data set, but as you get larger and larger data sets, this becomes more complicated. So another way to do this that's a bit more elegant is to go in the number filters here, go to between, and then in here, height is greater than or equal to 72 and is less than or equal to 74. Hit OK, and that will give you the same result. We're going to clear that filter, and we're back to our original data set. As you can see, there are many different ways you could do this. I'm just trying to give you an idea of what you could do with these filters. Another thing you could do is you could come in here and you could select, let's say I wanted to know who's above average. We go to number filters, above average, and that gives us all of our players who are above whatever the average is. What is the average? I don't know, but those are all the ones who are above average. Where this filter feature becomes really powerful, though, is when you're trying to filter for multiple different factors. That can be very difficult to do manually. So, for example, if for whatever reason, again, this seems a bit arbitrary, but if for whatever reason we want to know what players are over 74 inches tall and under 30 years old, we could do that. So we can apply two filters. So above 74 inches tall, number filters, greater than or equal to, or no, we said above 74 inches tall. So greater than, number filters, greater than 74. And then we go over to our age column and less than, we said under 30, so less than 30. And there are all your players who are over 74 inches tall, which is 6'2", 6'2", and then under the age of 30. That's all of them. So that's the basics of how you use filters in Excel. If you poke through these menus, you'll see there are a lot more options, but I just wanted to give you an idea. You can also go down here to custom filters and all sorts of stuff opens up. But this is how you really can analyze a huge data set in Excel and distill it down to whatever it is that you're looking for. I hope you found this useful. If you did, please like this video, drop a comment down below and let me know what else you'd like to see. And then also, if you don't mind, subscribe to my channel and I'd greatly appreciate it.